Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Power off the mouse and unplug the USB cable before starting repairs. Flip the G403 and slide off the PTFE feet if needed to reveal screws. Remove the 2 visible screws on the underside to separate the shell from the base. Use gentle prying with a plastic tool to avoid cracking clips on the sides. Keep screws in a small container labeled G403 to avoid losing them. Work on a clean, flat surface to catch springs or small parts quickly. Lift the top cover gently to expose the scroll wheel assembly. Use a plastic spudger to avoid damaging internal plastic posts or PCB pads. Disconnect the small ribbon or connector that links the wheel encoder to the main board. Rotate the wheel by hand to observe stuck teeth or uneven resistance in the encoder. Inspect the encoder for dust, displaced spring, or broken click tabs and note any damage. If a spring is out of place, remove it with tweezers and prepare for reinstallation. Use compressed air and a soft brush to remove debris from the wheel. Dampen a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean encoder contacts and shaft surfaces. Use light lubrication sparingly on metal shafts only, avoiding PCB and sensor areas. Replace a broken encoder or spring if cleaning does not restore function to the scroll wheel. Reconnect the ribbon and test the wheel before fully reassembling the shell and tightening screws. Reassemble carefully and test scroll wheel before replacing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.